Katie Price has been forced to stop creating sexy OnlyFans content while she recovers from her latest round of surgery. The 43-year-old is currently wearing a large bandage on her head after undergoing another brow lift and liposuction last week, so isn't photo-ready. 3. Katie Price has had to pause making sexy content. Credit, Instagram. 3. The star is currently wearing a bandage on her head after surgery. Credit, Splash. Keeping her fans up to date, she insisted more racy snaps would be on their way once the bandages were off. She told her subscribers on the adult-only content site, "Just wanna say a quick thanks for all the support so far. I will be doing some customs and more content and loads more selfies, taking note of what you are all requesting, but right now I can't shoot with bandage round my face. Stick around, the good stuff is coming." The surgery didn't stop the mum of 5 making a red carpet appearance on Friday evening as she attended the National Diversity Awards in Liverpool with Harvey and her fiancé Carl Woods. Katie proudly beamed for snaps ahead of the event, despite still being bandaged up and recovering from her most recent surgeries in Belgium. A source close to the star explained Katie didn't opt for the full overhaul as she has had in previous years, but was keen to stay looking her best. They explained, "Anyone who knows Pricey knows she always wants to stay at the top of her game, and she's just had a few tweaks this time. She went in to have a brow lift and a bit of lipo on her chin." The former glamour model joined the X-rated site last month to give fans a more intimate look at her life away from social media trolls. She launched her page on a subscriber-only website, which charges fans £11 every month, as she hoped to make millions. Katie faced backlash from trolls over her new business venture, which she insisted was to empower her and bring back control over her content. 3. Katie launched her page last month,